a few poems that we're going to perform for you today, and then afterwards we can all celebrate and give thanks together over our Room 1 feast. So we appreciate all of you coming out in the middle of the day, and we wish you all a great Thanksgiving as well. We're going to start with one fat turkey.
One fat turkey went strutting by. He shook his feathers and winked his eye. He flapped his wings and his head gave a wobble. He looked at me and cried, gobble, gobble.
Now we have 5 little turkeys.
Five little turkeys sitting on the ground. The first one said, "Oh my, we're getting round." The second one said, "I smell a pumpkin pie." The third one said, "But we won't cry." The fourth one said, "Let's run, let's run." The fifth one said, "Thanksgiving isn't fun." Then in came the farmer and he turned on the light, and the 5 little turkeys ran out of sight.
Thanksgiving answer.
In school today we had to think of what we're thankful for. And for a first grader like me, that was quite a chore. I scrunched my eyes, I thought real hard, I stared down at my shoe, and then I thought, oh wait, I know, what I'm thankful for is you.
And our final poem, this is called The Very First Thanksgiving Day, and we have some different parts for this one, so we'll go around and do some small groups. So first graders, and then